Today you will receive the same folder. And here you will see the first demo, second demo, both the documents. And who all not yet provided details, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. And go through the document, watch the video for getting more clarity. So this is a checklist. Definitely it's a very detailed training when compared to others. And more informative training, no doubt in that. And demo, this is a demo document, you go through it. Even today, second demo level, I will place all the documents and videos, and you can practice also after the session. Let me start the demo. As I told you, 2 demo classes. And first demo yesterday completed, and today is the second demo. But I will give you the recap of first demo for 10 minutes, and then fresh part I go for 50 minutes. 9:10 or 9:15 max, I will close the session. Kindly cooperate me. Anybody new today? Right. So yesterday I explained about institute details for some time, like my name, my mobile number, my call time. And thank you. And 3 to 4 people called me yesterday out of the attendees. And I'm working senior lead consultant. The training type is basics to advanced, very detailed training. And the duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily training is 1 hour, and my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions, and monthly 2 Saturdays there will be sessions. Online, offline, both available. We provide daily live class videos with 2 years access, and WhatsApp, email, call, all kinds of support will provide you for questions, doubts, concerns. And materials theory, material practical, and mock FAQs will provide you, and mock interviews also conducted. And Microsoft Fabric, ADF, Power App sessions we will conduct all together 3 to 4 hours. And SQL sessions I cover for 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics. So this is a checklist I gave for yesterday. And the checklist level I clearly mentioned what are the SQL topics you need to focus. So these are the SQL topics you must learn, 9 topics. And I showed what is the way we are providing videos and how you will get the materials, everything. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And the real-time projects will help you for better understanding with the process of real-time and the tools in the real-time, approaches in the real-time. And case studies will give you better hands-on. At the end, you will receive course completion certificate. And training objective, maximum subject coverage, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and certification purpose. PL 300 is the examination, the certification purpose. And you can generate your own reports also. Any graduate is eligible to learn, and it is a low-code component. As I told you yesterday, so these are all the opportunities you can try after learning Power BI. Alone, Power BI, report developer or BA developer, or as a data analyst, data scientist, Fabric resource, and even non-IT companies, they're using Power BI for reporting and in that area also. In the 2 months of duration, the 60 hours class, cloud components I'm covering, on-premises components, along with that project environment majorly I'm covering with supportive components. And you will get the video for every session. So you can read and revise. And already one of your demo attendee join for video-based training because he stays in some different location, and the current timing is almost like 2 a.m. for him, 2 a.m. So he decided to take your current batch videos. He will not attend, but he will take the video along with your batch. Yeah, there are different people. And for even fast track, one person asked me, I said, continue in this batch and take previous batch videos. Yeah, he agreed for it. That's why both not joined today for the second demo. But my recommendation, if you have time and you want to learn properly, join all the classes and get more knowledge. And these are the opportunities of Power BI as a fresher or below 5 years and senior role, and data scientist fresher, data scientist experienced, and data analyst fresher, data analyst experienced. And Power BI plus Power Apps and Automate. And these are the opportunities I explained. And then I covered yesterday data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. So data hierarchy explained, and data types, the formats, storages, IT applications, and major IT applications, and BA applications, a BA complete history I explained, and what is Power BI, and Microsoft evolution the BA I explained, like MS BA, Power BI, Azure BA, Power Fabric, and what is Power Platform also covered yesterday. Please refer to yesterday's video for more understanding. And today I will start from Power BI components. So definitely I will give you a very good information today. Kindly listen to it carefully. Don't miss. And you will not get such kind of explanation outside. So listen to it. I'm not telling a great example. I'm telling you guys, this is not the session to show complex example. It's a demo session. But the process, the navigations, the things which I'm covering are very valuable. So kindly try to understand. Complex examples anyway, we'll see in the class for hours and hours. Now, Power BI. First definition, adding more power to existing BI. Because Microsoft having Azure BI and MS BI, compared to that, it has more features. And it is a low code application, cloud and on-premises supportive application, and generate reports and dashboards. And AI features added in the Power BI 2024. And the Power BI visualization in the Fabric level also available. And what is Fabric? I told you, simply Azure components plus Power BI and a couple of other. Here also we have visualization, Power BI visualization only. So Power BI standalone resource or Power BI in the Fabric you can use in the companies. Whether data analyst, data scientist, report developer, no matter. Either this or this area CEOs. Then what exactly we do in the Power BI? As I told you, not only Power BI, any BI you take, input is data, any data, any type data, any format data. Output is report or dashboard. So today I'm going to create a report or dashboard for your practice, for your understanding. Now let me go, guys. So any questions till this place from anyone, online, offline people? Subhada, we are ready. Any questions? Good.
No, sir.
Don't worry. In case you feel complex, you will get the video and document. Just open once you find very comfortable. Right. I will go to fresh part, a beautiful part, focus. So firstly, in reporting types in the IT industry. And report is the place where we show the data, in graphical format. And in the IT industry, we have two types of reporting: paginated, non-paginated. So we will not use frequently the word paginated when you work with other reporting tools. But when it comes to Power BI, it's fully classified because Power BI providing advanced reporting and it does not have the basic reporting. But recently the basic reporting added to Power BI. Sir, what is the basic reporting? Paginated reporting. It's a legacy reporting, traditional reporting. Here data divided into multiple pages. Every page is printable. Assume you have a table with 200 records. I need each page 20 records and 10 pages required. Then we'll go to paginated reporting. See this? You are having 200 records and every page 10 records. Page 1, page 2, page 3 like this. And Power BI report builder is one component. SQL Server data tools is another component. Cognos, BO, MicroStrategy, Crystal report. These are other components. Non-paginated reporting. This is called advanced reporting, modern advanced. And you'll be finding multiple visuals and data is not divided into multiple pages. Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, these all perform non-paginated reporting operations. And you want to see, guys, this is Power BI Cloud actually, app.powerbi.com. We call it as a Power BI Cloud. I'm signing out. I'll give you the account details and all for your practice. Don't worry. See, this is Power BI Cloud. Everyone remember working area. In the working area, I have reports. Let me go for case study one. Our students practiced. This is a not paginated one. So if you click on it, Khammam data, Nizamabad data, Chennai data, Mumbai data, advanced reporting. Even yearly page also we see advanced reporting. If it's to the 19 selection, 2020 selection. Next, I create a paginated report. Let me open. Don't worry, you will do this within 5 days of your joining. This is page one, some records, 5 records, 1 by 2. Next page, I'm traveling 2 by 2, 2 pages only available. This is paginated reporting. Navigation like this, you will see on top. So old reporting, modern reporting. So Power BI 2013 onwards, this is a release year, and you are having only non-paginated reporting, advanced reporting. But companies requested Microsoft for legacy old reporting, this one. So in 2017, this paginated concept they added. So till 4 years, no paginated concept or no legacy concept. Questions, please. Sir, is it important? I never heard about paginated. If you don't know paginated reporting, you cannot appear for interviews. Both are very important. Let me open and show you Naukri. Okay, I'll go after 2 minutes. Next, Power BI components and concepts. Now, Power BI, it has 8 components and 4 concepts. 8 components, 4 concepts. First one, Power BI Desktop. And this is a component for advanced reporting. And this will use these concepts, concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. Remember, it is for report development. Desktop. Once the report is developed, and companies who are maintaining the data in the cloud, processing in the cloud, right now you observed it, Power BI service, and that is app.powerbi.com. Those people will place the report in the cloud. From here only customers will browse, however I browsed it, and they will take the decisions. This is called end-to-end process. Desktop for report development, cloud to store the report, share the report. So end users will connect, bring, and browse it. 95% people working on cloud process and 5% people working on on-premises. So reports or desktop for non-page related reporting, report development, and report server to place the report. This is your local server. So you will install in your computer or your company server. And then customers will connect, retrieve, browse, analyze. So the 5% people. But mandatorily companies are using Power BI report builder for page related reporting and Power BI embedding. And the reports you want to place in social media, web, blog, this concept we use. And I will show practically this. I'll show practically this. 99% institutions, they don't show, but I will show. And Power BI developer, you want to create your own visuals. Existing visuals you don't like. Existing visuals you don't like, then go to Power BI developer to create own visuals. Gateway, it will establish communication between on-premises to cloud. This is your on-premises data. Assume Hyderabad data. And this is US cloud. And Hyderabad data, you want to move to US cloud, then go to gateway. Gateway is the topic. Wonderful, sir. So these are the components available in the Power BI. Now ask me which component you guys want to know. Some additional information. Please, in case you haven't provided your email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. You will get the demo video and demo document. And you want to talk to me after the session? Yes, I'm providing my contact number. Please talk to me. You need proper guidance, suggestions, and don't speak with normal people. Speak always with experts or who are having good experience in IT. They will only tell you proper suggestions. Never ever take a decision after speaking with below 5 years experience resource or 7 years experience resource. They may not guide you properly. Right. So these are the components. Let me go to Power BI. It's a Naukri, very popular job portal in India. I'm typing Power BI, comma, paginated. See, in this combination, Power BI paginated, 10,832 jobs available. Let me open 1, 2, Don't worry, this is a demo only, not a regular class. Regular class, I'll start from basics. Definitely you understand in detail. So the first 5 opportunities I open. See guys, 8 to 10 years. In case you want to try, yes, you can try. People are giving good packages. And data science manager, I told you Power BI used here also. 7 to 12 years. Sir, I'm having more experience, or can I claim more experience? Yeah, you can be a architect or be a developer. I already covered with more experience, 2 to 7 years. So Power BI developer, 7 to 10 years. Hyderabad. SQL knowledge is mandatory. These are data modeling schemas. And I use the word Power Query. And I use the word cloud and on-premises. And I set gateway. See, whatever we are discussing in the demo level, the same thing you're able to see. Gateway. And I told you DAX. DAX is a language used to perform calculations. I just opened cloud. Cloud level workspace only we are working on. I clicked on workspace. The same thing they are asking in the opportunity. See, Power BI service. So this is Power BI service, app.powerbi.com. Here only we keep the reports. And from here only we'll share with the customers. He's expecting the same. Workspace, app space, refresh. Embedding, web embedding. That's what I explained in this component. See, Power BI service, embedding, web embedding. I'll show you practically. Sorry. Gateway. So this opportunity, if you closely look into multiple times, and it is asking how do we use in the Power Apps. That's why we are conducting 2 hour session or 1.5 hour session on Power Apps. Experience in building page and report, clearly they are mentioning. So this is the right way of Power BI learning, looking at job description accordingly. See, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Fabric Knowledge, MSBA Knowledge, SSRS. You might have wondered yesterday why trainer is explaining MSBA, blah, blah, blah. This is the reason, guys. When you look at the actual job description, you see this kind of terminology. How do you understand? Not just opening a notepad and typing blah, some basic content. Next opportunity I go. Business analyst, 3 to 5 years. This is a business analyst role. So ignore this. Senior Power BI developer, NC, or BA architect. What exactly they're expecting? I'll not take much time. I told you yesterday data factory. I use the word. And I use JSON, semi-structured data. And data warehouse I explained yesterday, ETL process. The warehousing architecture yesterday. And coming to Power BI side, they're expecting Azure Cloud Platform basic knowledge. So we'll provide you for this. And Power BI side, 5 years of experience, desktop service and server. See, that means they are using cloud. They're using on-premises server also. This is what I mentioned in the app components. Service, desktop, server. These three he is expecting. They're using cloud, they're using on-premises. See, it's a low-code platform, the same technology. Now one more, and then I will go for the fresh part. They clearly ask Power BI with SQL DAX language. This is anyway Power Query level available. Power BI service. Yes, this service, how it works. And embedding concept, report server concept, and page net reporting concept. So whatever I'm explaining is very valuable. If you're not able to understand, ask me immediately. And these are the 8 components in the Power BI. And today I'm going to show you the uses of Power BI Desktop to create a report first. So this is your data, and you will create a report like this. And then the report you will move to cloud to customers. This is called end-to-end process. I'll show you today. Data to report creation to cloud. So report creation, report storing in the cloud, finally sharing with the customers. Everyone okay? And in brief, desktop and service as server, the differences I will explain, kindly focus. In Power BI level, end-to-end process. This is called end-to-end process. You will work on different types of data, files, databases, warehouses, cubes, Synapse, Databricks, Lakehouse, different types of sources. The desktop will take this data and generate a report. But how? First, Power Query concept implemented, where it will bring the data, transform the data. Once it is transformed, Power Pivot and modeling concept comes into the picture. It will store and establish relationships. Finally, Power View, Power Maps comes into the picture to generate visuals. Finally, service or server. So cloud service level, these operations we perform. Cloud server level, these operations not cloud, on-premises server level, these operations we perform. And from here only the customers will receive the report, and they will access, they will browse, they will take decisions. And this is end-to-end process in Power BI. And I will take 1 week sessions on this, 2 days sessions on this, working on different sources. And Power Pivot, 1 week I will take. Visualization, I will take 1 week to 10 days. And here, DAX is a language I will take 10 days, 10 to 12 days. And cloud service 10 days. And server 2 hours. So this is the total course and agenda. All of you understand at high level? So data, desktop, service. Now I'll explain about desktop. Power BI desktop. This is the place where first of all, desktop, the place where we perform operations graphically. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, etc. And Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical. So Power, adding additional features. BA takes data, generate reports and dashboards. Desktop, multiple operations area. So 3 words combination. Then input to desktop. This desktop will take any data, any type of data, any format data. Output from the desktop, a document, which contain report information, data information. Now requirement, operating system, Windows 10 or above for better experience. RAM, minimum 2 GB RAM, but 4 GB recommended. Processor speed, minimum 1.5 GHz, but 2 GHz is recommended. So these are the minimal requirements to work on desktop. But there are a couple of other also. And one more important and mandatory one I forgot to tell you, type of system. What type of system you are currently having, that is very important. And based on this, we'll download. And display orientation, landscape, font size, we focus in the real time that I will explain in the regular class. For the timing, you focus only on these four parts. Then how do we download, sir? So before you download, see the system settings. Go to this PC, right click properties. So in your system, this PC, right click property, device name, install RAM. My system type is 64-bit. It's clearly showing here. RAM, graphic card, storage, everything. Windows 11. The same information you can see one more area. This is a magnifier. Click on it. Sysinfo. System information. Click on this. Windows 11. 16 GB RAM. My processor. It is 64-bit machine. That's what I mentioned in this PDF. Go to this PC, right click properties, or go to command prompt sysinfo. Then how to download Power BI desktop or reports or desktop, anything. Only one way, Google it and download. No account is required. For the time being, we continue with this. Go to Power BI service and download. app.powerbaiservice.com and download. This is recommended in the real time. I already opened this. This is the cloud. Here there is something called download under download Power BI desktop. This is recommended in the real time. I'll give you the accounts so you can use it. Our second way, normal download, like Google it and download. So don't ask anyone at any time regarding download. Just Power BI desktop download, you type it. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop. Click on this. So Microsoft Power BI desktop. And this is a definition Microsoft keep on changing. So you read it and understand. But here they clearly mentioned what is the desktop version. Power BI not having any version. It's a tool. It has a version. In case the tool has some issues, you can contact Microsoft support with this version only. So tool version, it's not a Power BI version. So tool version and recently published size is 811 MB. What you can do with Power BI desktop? You can bring the data, you can create relationships, generate report, save report, all these operations. Simply end-to-end process it will do. System requirements, yes, these are standalone, laptop or desktop when you install it. And these are server requirements. When you work in the cloud, when you work in the real time, always companies maintain Windows servers. Those are the servers. And it is available for 32-bit and 64-bit machines. And don't ask anyone how to install, just follow the installation instructions. For the last 7 to 8 years, I always follow this. Now click download, it will be downloaded. And once it is downloaded, you will see like this. A software like this. You go there, next, finish. But two things it will ask you. I accept license terms and conditions. Second one, C drive or D drive, where do you want to install, or the drive to install. So hardly 2 minutes time to complete the installation. In case your machine is faster, even 1 minute also sufficient to install. Simple. Once the installation completed, you will find a Power BI desktop component like this on the Windows desktop. This is a desktop component on the Windows desktop. You can click and open. I open the desktop. And this page is called quick startup page or get started page. So many quick reference links. Home blank report you want to start up. And from one lake, you want to bring the data and generate a report. From Excel, you want to bring and generate a report. From SQL Server, you can bring and generate a report. Or you want to create from the scratch a blank report. You want to open the existing report, open. You want to sign out, sign out. And here is a place you will find language settings, options and settings level, language settings, and R, Python, script settings, and many settings you will find in this area. And this is about desktop, the desktop component, version and all you will see here. Everyone clear? Guys who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo video and document. Today, whatever the example I'm doing, you can do it. I'll give you the reference document, data, input data, everything. You can implement at home. Feel comfortable after with the practice and then join. So this is the quick starter page. I don't want English language. I want to continue with Hindi because my favorite language is Hindi. And then options and settings. Options. Here there is something called a regional setting. And here use Windows default language. Select Hindi. Hindi India. Click OK. It is asking application restart. Don't panic. Simply close. Open the application again. Hindi language. And you want to change it back to English. You want to revert the changes. Vikalp or setting. Vikalp. K3 setting. Hindi to Windows की English ठीक है ठीक. I'll close it. Let me open Orbit Desktop. And I will go for home and blank report because I want to create from scratch. I'll go for blank report. And this is the main interface. And some people say self-service interface. And to some other people say end-to-end report development interface. Only report development. Color blind friendly. Color blind people can use it. Sir, what is self-service? In case you have data, the extraction part it will do. The transformation part, if the data is not good, the transformation part. For shaping and model part, relationship and security, data restrictions, visualization part, and finally it will provide BA data, business intelligence data, or you can say report. So this is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. And luckily Power BI desktop level, everything we do, so we call it as a self-service BA. Any BA tool, if you go, the same process will implement. But not all BA tools support this. Power BI is the first BA which will support everything end to end in a single area. That's why we call it as a self-service BA. And this is the first area. And this is the second area. Modeling is the third area. Security is the fourth area, fifth area. All are nearby. And every report or every time you go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is compulsory data bringing, visualization compulsory, presentation, data presentation. But the transformation shaping, modeling is relationship, security, data controlling. So these three optional. If situation require, we'll go. Otherwise, data bringing, data presentation compulsory. But every report pass through all the phases. 5 stages. Next. So guys, I will brief this interface for 3 minutes. In the regular class, I'll explain for 45 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So don't worry, because demo, I want to give a meaningful example, but I will not go faster. Don't worry. After finishing the class, just open the video once, you'll understand. In case you are new, otherwise you'll understand it at this moment itself, right? So this is called as main menu status bar or main menu bar, quick saving, undo, redo, title, search, account which you connected, minimize, maximize, closing options available. Very basic options. And this is called menu tabs area. And home file menu, home menu tab, insert menu tab, view menu, optimize menu, help menu, etc. And home is underline, options available, home ribbon options. Next, these are very important part. This is the first area which we use frequently, menu tabs. Second area, views. Daily use, guys. You feel bored after 3, 4 days. And this is a report view. Visuals, data, concepts, etc. we take. And this is grid view, table view. There are no other interfaces. This is the interface daily use it. And this is a relationship view, table relationships. And this is DAX query view, DAX query we write. And this is TMSL view, tabular model semantic language view. And this is second area. For report visuals, we go this. Data, we go to this. Relationships, we go. For DAX query writing, for TMSL language writing, we will go this. And this is pane manager, third area we use frequently. I'm talking about a frequent usage. First bar, second one, this one. And pane manager, this is data pane. And here you see tables. In Power BI level, we call it as queries. Tables, fields, columns, parameters, lists, etc. Simply data area. And this is the build area, visualization area. These are all the visuals. And if you want custom visual, in this area, custom visual you see. And these are Microsoft visuals. And this is a format area, visual formation. And this is a filter area, filter. So pane manager, multiple options. And if you go down, this here, System will show here mode of the interface, like import mode, direct query mode, mixed mode, etc. And here you click plus to create multiple pages. Multiple pages with multiple visuals in this area. And you want to design the report for a web suitable or desktop suitable, this view. And you want to make the report suitable for the mobile view. Understand? Sir, where is the reporting area? This is a main area. I'll take blue and write it. This is a main area. We call it as a canvas, a report canvas. And this is called width. This is called height. Height of the canvas, width of the canvas. In this area, we take visuals. And today, I'll show you the standard process, like bringing the data compulsory, transformation if required, we go, and modeling the data if required, we go, security, but visualization, 5. These 5 areas I will show you today. I means what are applicable, I will show, and generate a report. Then where is the data, sir? Any data. And this is your demo screen. And here you are having data. And during lockdown, I entered this data, my family data. If you see this description, render date, amount, reason, area, location. Every day, what are the areas I traveled, how much money I spent, I clearly mentioned. On 17th August, books I spent 1,000 rupees, Motinagar, Hyderabad. 16th August, food I spent 2,000, Jagadamba, Vishakhapatnam. Travel I spent this money, like this. From this, I want to generate a report like this. So what is my total spending from this amount, total amount, average amount, maximum amount, minimum amount of this? If I select year, in that year values, month, in that month values. Also, these are all showing, these are all filtering. And also, I want to compare in a particular period, highest spending, lowest spending, and location wise spending. And what are the locations that traveled and spending? So this kind of interactive visualization report I want to create. Yeah, possible. Possible, guys. As I told you, this data, you need to pass through 5 stages, compulsory stages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me go to get data, first stage, Excel data. But in the real time you see multiple sources. In the classroom, you see multiple sources. I'll show you SQL Server and different types of files, even cloud also. I'll go to Excel workbook. And this is my demo area. In the demo area level, my family expenses data available. I will click on it, open. I'm browsing it. See, it is showing the sheet, sell the sheet, click load. This is a sheet and click load. See, once you bring the data, automatically the data area will open. This is called data pane. Automatically it will open. Don't do anything, guys. I just brought the data. Automatically this pane open. expand it bigger. See, the titles are not good. Point number one. Sir, can I see the data? Don't worry, you just go here. If you do one report practice, you can do any number of. The navigations are pretty simple. So this is the one. If you want to see the data, go to table view. It's showing the data. Something is not correct if you see this. This is not in proper shape. This is supposed to be the heading. And these two, we need to remove it. One, remove. Two, heading. Three, split the data into two parts. Three, split. So on this data, if you do these three operations, remove, consider heading, split, then it will be proper shape. So where do we do? The shaping is possible in the second area, transformation area. So our situation demanding transformation area. Go to this, transform data, transform. Automatically it will open another window. And this is the only one extra window system will open. There are no other windows. Power BI level, one extra window on top of the main interface is this. So this is transformation area. Thousands of transformations available. Home menu level transformations, transformation option menu level, add column level, view level, total level, many options. Now I'll go to home. No problem. And this you want to transform. What are the steps you implement? It will show here. You can cancel also if you don't want. Now my concept is remove this first one, make this as heading. Remove this first one, make this as heading. So click on this corner. How do you remember, sir? I practice, I remember. Even you practice, you remember. Remove top row. No coding, just basic options. This first row I want to remove. So one, okay. I want to make this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. And I want to divide this into two parts. Right click, split column. Sir, can you show me once again? See, last two steps, I cancel it. I cancel. Again, click on this, remove top row, one. Consider this as first row, click on it, use first row as header, done. So the steps also added here, proper. I want to split based on the hyphens, two hyphens. Right click, split column. Why, sir? So that area you can analyze separately, location you can analyze separately. Right click, split column by delimiter, nothing but separator, and mention here two hyphens. Column, two hyphens separation. Click OK. So can you take proper title? Yes, you click on it, make it area, and double click, make it location. Similar to Excel. Make it area, make it location. And finally, once your operation is completed and you feel comfortable, in the left-hand side, something is there. Close, simply closing. Apply, save the changes. Close and apply, save the changes and close. I'm saving the changes and close. Done, guys. Now it is appearing properly here. And if you go to table view also proper. This is called proper shaping through transformations. But right now only one table available, one table, and you're able to see like this. If multiple table, you will see multiple tables views. Right. I will go to model, third one, modeling. But single table, no relationship, no modeling concept. When multiple tables available, this is applicable. Security, anyway, security I did not talk about, only visualization. I want to work on visualization. visuals. The last part, visualization part. Maximum 10 minutes, kindly wait. Maximum 10 minutes. So these are the visuals I want to create. And card is a visual which will show single value display visual card. So these are all cards. Slicer, manual visual filter. So this and this support manual filtering slicer. It's a bar chart. Comparison visual. Pie chart. Composition visual percentage. Map, locations and business values. So these 5 visuals I'm using in the current class, just for knowledge. Single line, but the 5 visuals I explained in the regular class for 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5. Now we will go here, and any visual you want to work on, there is a protocol. Remember, any visual. First select the visual, second data, and third formation. VDF. VDF is a protocol to work with visuals. Remember, visual data formation. So take the data because visual is a skeleton. On this data you take, fill the colors and all. Let me go. First take a card visual. Data field is data. Click on it. Amount. Ready. I selected this. Visual field. Single value. Formation. Go to formation. And here this is called callout value. This is called category label. Callout value. Go there. I'll take 30 size. And display units none. And color blue color. Or you can take million, billion, trillion, any size. Sorry, any format. I'm selecting none. Next one, category label, bold. I will take pink color, increase. And for the complete visual, I need a border, size and style, visual border on. This is sum of them. Now, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V for max amount, min amount, etc. Or else, second way is there. Take a card visual. I want average amount. And then first visual, second field, amount. Sum is coming. By default, you need average. Click on this. In place of sum, you take average. In the arrow mark, you will see that it's average value. But this format only required. Then go there, format painter, place on it. Once again, I want a maximum amount. Routine, card visual, field, amount, sum will come. So click arrow mark, take max. But this format required, go there, format painter, click on it. Now minimum amount required, click on card, field, amount, click on this. In place of sum, minimum. The same format required, go there, format painter, mention here. So 4 visuals, the total value, average value, max value, min value in the complete data. You can highlight all these visuals and go to format. You can make a group so that at a time you can move, at a time you can navigate. Next, I want to filter and see the values based on the year and month. Then slicer. First visual, identify. Data, you add year required, date table year. Only year. But year Formatting is not good. This is a between and format. So go to format pane. Slicer setting, this slicer setting, between available. No, I want list or I want tile button and whatever you want. I'll go for list. I'll place here list. Next, selection header. This is a header. Draw normal color only I'm taking. Slicing value. This is a value header. Very routine, guys. Normal part, and I will take value this. And complete border I require. So highlight this visible. First I worked on this. These two normal. This is the area you find border. If you select 19, 19 total average maximum, 20, 20 total average maximum. This is the beauty of Power BI. No need to write any logic. I did not write any formula anyway. And month selection required. You can go this Control C, Control V. Copy paste also possible. But I don't want year. I want month. Visual is ready. Now data. Remove this. Click on it. Date table month. Now see these are the months available. But I don't want all the months. Yes, possible. Go to filter. Visual, filter on the visible. Visible, filter on the visible. Just go. I want only 2 months. July and August. This is visual filter. How simple it is, guys. Very simple. Take this. So if you select July, July value everywhere. August, August value. 20, 20 August values. You want to clear the filtering, clear the filtering. Multiple, if you want to select, press Control and select. Press Control and select. Fine. So only the value display and slicing. But I want to see my top spending areas, bottom spending areas, or top spending region, bottom spending region. Then go to build menu. Here bar chart, stacked bar chart, stacked bar. Y-axis. So this is Y-axis chart. You can say row chart. Row wise what you want to show. I want to show reason. So Y-axis level reason. Reason. X-axis level what you want to show. Value amount. So reason wise amount. Sir, can I see this visual bigger? Go to focus view. Focus will show you bigger. Visual focus. Food, I spent this much money. And travel, I spent this value. And petrol, I spent this value. These two my top spendings. And these are my bottom spendings. And these are range of values. There's a bar chart. Y-axis reason, X-axis amount. You take the same and look at the visual data. I want border. Go to formatting, size and style, visual border on. Next, composition, percentage. Legend level location I want to show. Pie chart, guys. And value level I will take reason, sorry, amount. Location wise amount. It will give you percentage only by default. I will go there, border on it. See in this area, you can go to focus mode or else like this. Hyderabad 40% money I spent, and Vishakhapatnam my overall money in those 2 months 39%, and Vijayawada 15% money, and Suryapet 2% money. The total business level, sorry, total spending level, Hyderabad 40%, Vishakhapatnam 39, Vijayawada 15% like this. And what are the locations I traveled if I want to know? Then go to map visible. Location level, location. See, it's showing all the locations. but I want to see the values also. Highlight the map, location, okay. Bubble size is there. Bubble size level. I want amount. Location wise amount. So this is the highest spending, lowest spending, high, medium spending, highest spending, medium spending, lowest spending. Visual for 19 if you select 19 values, 19 locations, 19 percentages, 19 top spending, bottom spending. August, 19 August spending, comparison, composition, locations. This is one filtering. Even if you click on this, only respective value highlighted and displayed. Second way of. Third way, filter. And this is called slicing based filtering. Cross filtering. When I click on it, accordingly it is filtered. This is a normal filter. Like these 6 types of filters in Power BI. I'll explain you in the regular class. And that is the beauty of Power BI. 6 types of filtering. And normal videos containing only this and this, but we have 6 types and wonderful filtering. Remaining 3 are advanced. I'll show you in the regular class. So this is how we will create interactive report. How do you save, sir? File menu, save. I'm saving under ATM September. I'll save under batches folder, ATM September, demo report. Just I mentioned it, PBX file. Word documents with .docx, Excel document with XLSX, PowerPoint with PPTX, Power BI with PBAX. It's a document. Save, demo report. So this is the demo report, last saved today at 8/9/18. And you can see here, batches 9:80 a.m. September. Demo report, it's a document. I want to upload to cloud and operate. Then go to this app.powerbi.com. This is your cloud I told you. Because this document we cannot share with anyone. No use of it. Just creation only. But if you want to share, not possible because it is having modeling area, transformation area, and different areas. So it's not a good practice to share all. And we never share also. And if you want to share, compulsory cloud or server will move. I'm moving to cloud. This is my cloud app.powerbi.com. I'm having an account. I connected with the account and I have a folder that is called workspace. In the workspace level, I'll take Sunendra. He is one of our student in the current batch, and his folder, his area I will move. New folder I will mention, demo, import, report. See, normal report, page and report. That's why I explained about page and report. Click on it from this computer, and I will go for batches, ATM September, and here demo report available, open. See, automatically the report divided into 3 parts. And these are report area, visualization area, semantic model area, dashboard area. Once again, this is a normal single document when you create. But when you move to cloud, it will divide into 2 minimum parts, these 2. Third one, optional. But sometimes it will create. Why? When I will tell you in the class. So this is the area data available. Semantic model means data area. See, if you click this one, it will show the data. So you want to deal with the data. You want to refresh the data, everything here only. And I will go back to Sunendra and demo report. Here is a place report information is available. Yeah, support all navigations. But this you want to share with customers. How? This is a share symbol. Click share. Mention who you want to share. On-demand sharing, ad hoc sharing. Mention the user. Click send. The user will receive a link. Click share. V_0207. He is the user I'm sharing. Sorry, not 02. 200725. He is the user I'm sharing. Yes, he will get a link. Through scheduled way you want to share. Click on it. Subscribe. Subscription you created. Time and users you need to mention. Create subscription. Name, who, what type of format, dates, daily at what time. Second, sharing. Third way, export. Some customers don't like these two ways. They need just a PPT, PDF. Yeah, you can export. Or some people asking, give me the data. I will generate a report, analyze in Excel. It will give you the data. And some people, no. Give me the QR code. I will scan and see. This is generating a QR code. You generate a QR code and share with other people. They will scan and see the report. And this is embedding. SharePoint level, if people want to place the report. Web level, people want to place the report. And blog level, people want to place the report. This is the one. If you click on it, it will give you the link. Just forward the links with them so they can place wherever they want to place. So these are the ways sharing options available in this area. Exporting, on-demand sharing, scheduled sharing, multiple options. So in our demo level, I planned for this part. Data, desktop, report creation in the desktop level, report storing and managing in the. So what about customer accessing? Customer, I told you, they can come to their email and see when you share, or when you forward it, they will see in the email level. And QR code and all required apps, and we'll see in the class. I'll open the email in case you have patience. Yeah, maybe ready, open. See guys, Vinaytech 5 p.m. batch. I shared a report with you, demo report with you today. Just now, 9:21. So this is a report shared with other people. Other people will get a link. They will click on it to see the respective report. Successfully done with end-to-end example. Even the demo, what I planned. 2 demo classes I planned. First one, introduction part, data hierarchy, BI evolution, Microsoft evolution, the BI, Power BI, and AI in the Power BI. And second, Power BI components, concepts, one end-to-end example. So whatever I felt comfortable and suitable required for you, I covered. My sincere request, kindly practice this example. I'll give the data file. I'll give the installation instructions. Kindly practice. And as usual, I'm giving my contact number in case you want to talk to me regarding queries, questions, suggestions, everything. Yes. From tomorrow, the regular class at 8 o'clock, start from basics. So plus or minus 3 minutes, not more than the delay. Last final one. No more explanation, guys. It's done. So if you're really looking for an institute with Power BI detailed subject from basics to advanced, easy and simple way in learning, yes, definitely this course is suitable. The institute is suitable, guys, and sufficient for interviews and to work on multiple projects. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today. And you will also you will receive today's demo video, demo document. Kindly look into documents and practice if possible.